Hey there, RPS Stemtastic Tuesday challengers. Josh Behrman back again with another StemTastic challenge for you. In the past, we've done cardboard construction, we've done cardboard marble runs, you've made boats out of aluminum foil. Last week, we got to dissolve an egg, and this week, we are going to be making mobiles. Now, when you think about a mobile, you might think, well, that's just something for babies, right? But no, in fact, a lot of great art has been made with mobiles. And when you think about a mobile, what a mobile is really demonstrating is balance. And balance and equilibrium are really important concepts in science, in nature, and probably in your life, right? Like you want to eat a well-balanced meal, you want to get some exercise along with your hanging out on the couch. All of that is just balance. In this case, it really is balance. Now, one of the more famous artists who explored this idea was someone named Alexander Calder. And if you check out the lesson plan, you can see a really cool video about Alexander Calder's work. And there's also a link to some of his really neat mobiles, which if you're lucky, you may have gotten to see in person, either in Richmond or at the museums in DC. So for our challenge this week, we're going to be using coat hangers. And besides coat hangers, we're going to be using other stuff. You could have some clothespins. Maybe you have some twine. There's really a lot of things you can make it out of. I've also got a few pipe cleaners, and I've stolen some of my daughter's toys to make my mobile. Now, when you think about a mobile, we're going to start with, I've got this one hanger hanging here. Now, what if I were to take a second hanger and hang it on this side? Now you can see it's no longer balanced, right? So what would I need to do in order to make it balanced again? If you think that the answer is to hang something off the other side, you're 100% correct. So let's see if I take a slightly different hanger and position it on the other side. All right, so now we've got a little bit of balance. Now, as you make your mobile, you want to think, how can I make the most artistic and interesting mobile while also keeping it balanced? So my goal is to keep this first hanger straight. So if I took something kind of heavy, like here's a clothes hanger that has a few extra things attached to it. It's got a couple of clips. It's got this stuffed manta ray. If I were to take this one and hang it off this hanger, well, that makes it a little less balanced, right? And then maybe I take another hanger, and now you'll find, just like me, that things get tangled very easily. This one is made of metal, right? So it's going to be a little bit heavier. So what if I hung it off? Instead of having this one here, what if I hung this one off here? Well, now I have one hanger on this side and two hangers on this side, but the hanger on this side is still heavier. If you think about it like a seesaw, if you have a hippopotamus on one side of the seesaw, you might need to stack 75 chickens on the other side of that seesaw in order to get it to even out. So that is what I am going to do. Let's see how big and interesting I can make my mobile. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hangers on my mobile, plus 3 stuffed animals, a couple of pipe cleaners. I've got a strange little arts and crafts project right here, and all of it is contributing to the balance of this mobile. So I look forward to seeing what you guys can create.